AI Partner and Profit Review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from nkacademy.com and welcome to my AI Partner and Profit Review. So as you can see over here, I've got access to AI Partner and Profit, and let me tell you what it is in a nutshell. So in a nutshell, it's a brand new business opportunity to get partnered with a seven-figure marketer, Michael Cheney, and you can partner him in his $400,000 business. The best part, it also comes with a step-by-step training on how you can leverage free AI tools to build your business on complete autopilot. Now, with that being said, what it actually does is that it gives you approval to its best-selling offer that Michael Cheney has. As you can see over here, I'm into Michael Cheney's profile. And as we could see over here, this guy has made over 43,000 sales and the sales rating are pretty good. That means they take good care of their products, right? And as you can see from here, he is not a serial launcher. That means he doesn't go ahead and launch product every other day. So that's quite cool. Now in here, as you can see, there's a product called Partner and Profit, and it has been sold over 10,000 copies, as you can see over here, right? So you are going to get approved to actually promote this product. Not only you are going to get approved, but also you are going to get 100% commission throughout the funnel. As you can see over here, I am getting 100% commission throughout all of the product, which means it's nearly as good as having your own product without any hassles. Because to create a product, you need a knowledge, then you need the skills to create the product, then you need to mitigate all the legal things like getting a payment gateway, getting your business registered, giving tax to the government, and giving support to your customers. You don't need any of those, while you can get 100% of the commissions. So you can use this for paid ads even. Now with that being said, it also comes with a step-by-step training on how you can create all of these, like how to build an email list, how to create promos using AI, how to create Facebook traffic using leveraging AI, how you can get AI powered YouTube traffic, how you can get AI powered blog traffic, how to write profitable prompts and become AI partner. So all of that has been taken care of, right? So that you can leverage all free AI tools to get traffic and sales from all of these social media networks. Now, with that being said, I'm going to take you through everything. I'm going to show you how this works and what all you can find under this course. And in here, you can find all the key features that it has, like you get approval to promote even if you have zero affiliate records. So that's a great way, because otherwise you won't get approval to promote it, right? There's a secret code that you can find within the training and you can just apply it and get approval for sure. The next thing that you get is 100% commission, as I've already shown you, right? From here, you can see 100% commissions you get across the funnel, not only the front end, but the first thing is getting started. In here, Michael Cheney will take you through what this is all about, right? And then the next section is becoming a partner with Michael. So in here, you'll get started, right? Then you'll get approval. And in this video, you get the secret code that you need to apply to get sure approval, irrespective of your affiliate stats. And then you get all the done for you promos that you need to actually promote the product. All of them are already done for you. You don't need to break a sweat in doing anything, right? The next thing they will go inside is AI powered email list. Now, in here, Michael Cheney will tell you how he leverages the power of free AI tools to build email lists for himself. Now, you can go ahead and apply the same tricks to build a list for yourself. Now, you must be knowing how important list is in affiliate marketing or any online business, right? The next thing is use AI to create lead magnet. With that being said, I've got you covered with my bonuses as well for this, right? Then there is the getting lead page. And in here, you can get the lead page. You can know how to actually automate the things like getting their leads into autoresponder and then configuring follow-up emails. And for this, you can use the autoresponder that he suggests, or you can also use the funnel builder that I have given you as a free gift, right? It also includes the autoresponder. Now, with that being said, the fourth section takes you through the AI powered promos on how you can build different promo tactics with the help of AI, how to do research with different AI tools, and then how you can get AI written emails. Now, this is going to be very important because writing emails is one of the best part of making passive income, right? Now, the next section that goes through AI powered Facebook traffic. In here, they talk about the Facebook algorithm, how you can actually break through the algorithm of Facebook, then how to create a perfect profile. Then it goes ahead and tells you the perfect anatomy of a perfect FB promo, how you can shape that up. And lastly, you can use AI to create automated posts as well on Facebook. Then it also leverages the YouTube part as well, as you can see over here, how to create contents using AI, how to get tags, how to get descriptions, all of that. Then there is an AI powered blog as well. Now on my bonuses, there's an AI auto blogger software that I've given you as well. So you are covered with that as well. And then the last but not the least is profit prompts and AI partner. This is how you can leverage AI in the upcoming days in 2024 and beyond to make money from, right? So it goes into all of that details. With that being said, there are some bonuses as well from the vendor. These are are some stuffs that you are going to get for free. But in here, I want to talk about one of these things. This is on an order bump, and I think it's going to cost you $17. And this gives you the sneak peek, that is the insiders of making 6K per month. In here, they actually talk about what prompts they use regularly in their business, what kind of graphics they use, which kind of sales copy converts the most. All of these in case study as well. As you can see over here, you can see all of these. There is a training over here, and then there are these prompts that have been used in the training. All of this has been done, right? Then you can make a side hustle using Midjourney, how to make 1 million per year using AI, how to do a $120 a day side hustle, how to sell AI art on stock sites. All of these are different tricky things that you can go ahead to actually start a side hustle. So that being said, it brings me to an end of this AI partner and profit review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this AI partner and profit review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye bye.